Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to use Auto Frame in Capcut. Auto Frame is a powerful feature that uses artificial intelligence to automatically adjust your video's framing. It intelligently identifies and keeps the main subject centered and in focus, even when changing aspect ratios. This tool is incredibly useful for content creators, saving you valuable time by effortlessly optimizing your videos for different social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. To begin, open the Capcut application and import your desired video into a new project. Once your video is on the timeline, simply click on the clip to select it. Next, look for the Video tab in the right-hand panel, then click on Basic. Within this section, you will easily find the Auto Reframe or Auto Frame option. Tap or click to enable this smart feature. After enabling Auto Frame, you can customize its settings to perfectly suit your needs. First, select your preferred aspect ratio from the various options, such as 1:1 for Instagram, 9:16 for TikTok, or 16:9 for YouTube. You can also adjust image stabilization to smooth out any shaky footage and fine-tune the camera movement speed to control how the frame tracks your subject. These adjustments ensure your video looks polished. Once you have customized your settings, click the Apply button to let Capcut process the auto reframe adjustments. Take a moment to preview your video and ensure the framing is exactly as you envisioned. When satisfied, proceed to the Export option. Here, you can select your preferred resolution, frame rate, and format, such as MP4, before saving your perfectly reframed video to your device or sharing it directly to social media.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.